If you're anything like me, then you probably rely heavily on your iPhone's alarm clock to wake you up in the morning. I'm one of the people that sets an alarm for every 5 minutes for about an hour around the time that I need to be up. But there's nothing worse than realizing in the morning that your alarm volume is super low, or worse, even muted. In this video, we'll take a look at setting the alarm sound and then making sure that the volume is up to where you want it. Inside of the clock app, make sure that you're on the alarm tab on the bottom. If you don't have an alarm already set up, tap the plus sign on the top right and set up a time that you want to have the alarm go off at. Once you have an alarm time, choose it, and here in the sound section, scroll through and choose the sound that you want for your alarm. Once you have the sound that you want, hit save on the top right. Now to adjust the volume of this alarm, make sure that the toggle is enabled on the right and then adjust the volume using the volume buttons on the left of your phone. This part here is the important part. If you change the volume while the clock app is closed, then you aren't changing the volume of the alarm. Every night before I close my phone, I always open up the clock app, turn my alarms on, and then set the volume while the app is still open. Also, if you use the mute button on the side of the phone, just make sure that that's turned off too. That should adjust the sound of your volume without any issues, but if for some reason you're still not able to adjust the volume, you may have another volume setting changed somewhere else. Close the clock app and then open settings. Right here, choose sounds and haptics, and you'll see a volume slider at the top. Make sure that the change with buttons option is turned on, and then slide the volume all the way up or to where you want it. I always keep mine somewhere around 75% because if it's too loud, then I'll just get annoyed and turn it off right away. But that should do it, and you can then close the settings app and make sure that your alarms are all set.